Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Magnetic Mini QiYi WuQue. So my current main for 4x4 for a while has been the regular QiYi WuQue, which is a very good cube. But now QiYi has come out with a mini WuQue, which I decided to get in the magnetic version. So here's the cube, and it comes with a pamphlet on how to solve the 4x4, of course. I don't really need that. And then that's all in the box. Oh, and also it's magnetic. So I'm just gonna get right into first turns because I'm really excited. So this cube is actually 2 millimeters smaller than the usual size for 4x4s, which are 62 millimeters. But this one is 60 millimeters, which does benefit me because I do have smaller hands. This cube is definitely very fast, both inner and outer layers, and the magnets do help for very precise turning. Let's check corner cutting. I expect it to be very good. So about a piece forward right now, a little bit less, and then inner layers, about half a piece. The feeling of this cube is a little bit more smooth turning than the old WuQue. It feels more controllable and a little bit less catchy. This will definitely be my new main 4x4. After I break this in and set it up, it will definitely be a very good 4x4. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content in the future. Thanks for watching!